My name is Antonio Wellis. I'm a resident of Toms River Township. I've been a resident at this home for over 10 years, and I've had solar over the last 4 years. If I was to approach a homeowner who was thinking about going to solar and wasn't quite sure, I think I would tell them that first and foremost they should look at the company. Very satisfied with the choice that we made with EcoMen Solar. Anytime they said they'd be here, they were here. In the off months when I'm not using the air conditioning and the pool is closed, I see a 0 to no bill sometimes. This was a particularly smaller system because of the size of my roof, but it still has met or exceeded my expectations. I was concerned about aesthetics for the neighborhood, but I can tell you that as a matter of fact that now it just blends in with everything else. But I definitely recommend it to more people. Why there isn't more solar out there is beyond me.